Hi guys, today we will talk about Bhai Ka Cream. It's none other than Fair and Handsome Radiance Cream for Men. Okay, so it has licorice that helps in skin brightening, and it has few sunscreen filters that might help with protection from UV rays, and it has niacinamide that helps with oil production. So all these are good stuff and which are expected to be present in a basic moisturizer which also acts as sunscreen. Of course, we don't know how much sun protection that this cream is going to offer, but anyway, so I recently saw the ad about this and I just went through the ingredients. Yeah, you might be thinking I'm not a woman, sorry. I'm not a man, but why am I going through this ingredients list? Because skincare is not gender specific. Firstly, I didn't like the ad, and so I had to go through the ingredients list to figure out what is wrong there. And it looks fine except this marketing stuff. So the moment he says, why are you using girls cream, and after using the cream all the girls come to that guy and he says bhai ka cream. Oh my god, seriously. Huh. Basically all this is marketing. The brands just want to produce more products and release them into market different in different varieties and make profits out of them. So they just want to increase the sales. Your buy doesn't even use that cream. He doesn't even dare to put it on his face. He goes through a lot of cleanup surgeries or any cosmetic facial procedures to keep his skin young. Or maybe he's not going, we never know, but definitely he'll not be using this cream for sure, because they are big celebrities and no celebrity will use a product that they're advertising in general. So that is one thing. The second part about is feeling bad because you're not fair. Come on, it's 21st century and still people are differentiating between fair and dark. We must appreciate all skin tones, like how we like all kinds of flowers: yellow rose, violet rose, if that's a thing, red rose. There are white lilies. You accept flowers in all colors, but not people in different color. And people have more feelings than flowers. In case if you missed that point, so if there is any person who is not treating you properly because of your skin color, or who is making you feel different than others because of your color, just ignore them and pity them for their ignorance. They're just so bad in this society, and they just forget about them and ignore them. They should not affect you in any way. Or in the end, all you need is a good skin which is not dry, itchy, or you don't have any skin conditions. Other than that, if your skin is fine, you're fine. Just don't really care about your skin tone. Of course, it's in India. It's a thing that we can't really avoid yet, but I think we are reaching there. Let's see. Um, and also it's okay to use a girl's cream. If your mother or your sister is using some cream and they feel good, and it is they're seeing some difference in their skin, it's okay to try the same product. You can just borrow it from them for a few days and see if you like it or not. There is no shame in using a girl or a woman's cream. There is no such thing as this is for men, this is for women, this is for old aunties, this is for just born. Of course, babies do have some special skincare which is removed from all the irritating ingredients which are okay for adults. Other than babies, there is no differentiation basically. In fact, nowadays adults use baby skincare because it is even more gentle, and that's okay. So don't believe in this uncle ka cream, auntie ka cream, and all that stuff. Just use. It's okay to use your sister's skincare. And I always dreamt of this one thing, Like whole family likes one particular moisturizer, and we buy 1 liter of it and we use it for entire year. Imagine how economical and how less cluttered our house would be with such kind of things. So anyway, at the end, have a happy skin, and be positive, and keep away from negative people, and that's it. Don't fall for these marketing gimmicks. Have a great day. Bye.